These bars are great for keto. They taste good, substitute a meal, and can satisfy the urge for something sweet. The texture is creamy with a little crunch from the bits of added cacao. 2 downsides to these bars. 1. They are pricey. Most meal replacement bars worthy of their ingredients are though, so it's somewhat to be expected. 2. Amazon does a crappy job shipping a product that is obviously sensitive to heat. If you purchase these bars during months where the weather is warmer, think all the way back to where the product originates from. The exterior of the bar, which is a coating of not real chocolate, will melt and settle to one side. This is annoying, but what makes it more problematic is the residual coating left behind becomes fragile and flaky. When you open the bar, the flakes fall on your hands, clothing, or desktop, table, depends where you are when you open it. This is a common sense issue that Amazon should clearly correct. Food items like these bars need to be stored in climate-controlled areas and should be packed in such a way that the interior of the box remains a steady temperature. Other than that, the bars are great and a good go-to for a mini meal or snack. For those on a keto diet that are also plagued with a sweet tooth or 5 might really find some value here. They are very good. I recommend the whipped chocolate, the whipped peanut butter, and the cookie dough. If you are looking for a substitute for that sweet craving, give these a try. Worst case scenario, you are out a few bucks. Best case scenario, you find a real solution to help you stick to your keto diet. So this product actually surprised me. I live in Jamaica. Last year I did the keto diet for 4 months and saw results, so most of the products that are low carb, keto, vegan, any non-mainstream way of eating, tends to be limited choices or just very expensive at the health food stores. My parents were going on vacation to the States and So in my opinion you have 2 types of keto snacks. High fat, low carb, or just low carb. I used to prefer the mainly low carb ones. BCZ I hate those really oily fatty tasting snacks. Yes, even though I was on keto. Some people just can't stomach it. If I'm eating a piece of salmon I don't mind oily or high. I actually think it is amazing. Yes, there is still an oiliness to it, especially if you don't store it in a cool place, and note it can be messy if it melts, so I recommend putting in the refrigerator, but it is amazing. I've never tried any other flavor but chocolate cookie dough, but give it a try. If you're doing true clean keto, I wouldn't recommend eating it every single day. BCZ there are some other ingredients that aren't the best for super clean keto, but it doesn't kick you out of ketosis and it's a great grab and go meal, especially if you DNT have time to carry lunch and if you're AC. I love that these are keto. For a keto bar, the flavor is way better than I expected. It's almost like eating a candy bar, but without physical consequence. Click link in description for more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all supplement reviews. Please subscribe to my channel today. Thanks.